Okay, so you've got your task, and the first thing you're going to do is have a look on Google Images to have a look and see at some of the professional flyers, just to get some ideas about layout. And then you're going into Publisher, and here's you can just see on the sides the ones that I've made, and I'm going to talk you through the process. It doesn't matter if they all end up looking the same, because hopefully you will learn some techniques that you can then add your own creativity to in future tasks. So we're always going to start with a blank one, and we're not going to use templates. I know some of you have used templates, and they have their place, but let's learn how to use Publisher properly, and then you've got more choices. Okay, now the first thing, I'm going to Page Design, and I'm going to choose a colour scheme. Now, you don't have to do this, but it will speed things up a little bit and make sure that your colours will match and go with each other. So if you're not particularly creative or artistic like I'm not, then I like to use things like this. So I went with a turquoisey one, so I'm going to choose that, okay, to start with. Right, let's go to Insert and let's have a look at the things that Publisher has got in it. You're aware of the shapes. You have also got inbuilt page parts, okay, which you can add straight onto your page and edit. So these are sort of templates, parts of templates, wizards and things. Calendars, if necessary. Borders, okay, so that you can create a frame for something, and the advertisement section, which I think I showed you in class. Okay, so those are all things that are there, inbuilt things there for you to make. So I started with, I chose this shape, so I'm going to just draw this out, and this is where your colour scheme comes in, because now I look down here and I can see all these sort of complementing colours, shades, inbuilt gradients. I haven't really got to think about it too much. All I've got to do is decide that I'm going to pick one. That one, that'll do. Okay, so straightforward shape. Then I took this shape. Now if you've actually found one on the internet that you want to use, then copy the layout. There's nothing wrong with that. Just copy the layout. I'm going to go with that. Okay. Print preview is a really good thing to keep getting in the habit of looking and seeing, so you're getting an idea of what's happening on your page. I'm going to put a border on it. So this is generally the way that I put borders on, but if you're going to use the fancy borders, just make sure you don't overdo things. So I don't want any fill, and my line colour, I'll just go with the blue. Okay, so that is going to be the start. Let's have a look. That is the start for my leaflet. Okay, so simple, straightforward, colour scheme sorted, and a little bit of a layout sorted.